Hi guys, let's see how you can model this part in Onshape. Is a model Mania 2016 as per these two drawings. This is the first phase. Then we modify to form this. You can see. Let's see how you can model this. This is a simple part. Therefore, I'm going to begin by a new part here. Give it 2016 model Mania. We need to create first profile, this profile here, then revolve. Therefore you go to the front view, normal. I need not to do a line here like that. I like hiding prints, an arc here, and this arc and this point here to be coincident. The bottom arc is 20, supposed to be 20. Therefore then have a top arc. This point coincident with a dimension of 14. Then we have a 44, this distance here 44, center to center, this one from this point to this point to be 44. Lastly, you need a line to connect these two, and this line is a tangent to this arc and tangent to this arc, predefined. Then we need to revolve this solid, this body surface, this sketch onto this line. You go back to the front view, you fit. I need not to do a rectangle because I want to make this bottom cutout 15 by 18. 15 by 18, that's enough. Therefore from this point to this point to be 18. This one is 15. Then let me show my planes. I want to do a symmetry of these two lines here. Then you can dimension it maybe to be 50. Then extrude, cut, remove. You do the drew all. Okay. Remove, drew all. Okay. Okay. Symmetry like that. Go back to the front view. Want to make top cutout. Same case here. Dimension from this point, let's see, it is supposed to be 18. Therefore I can show them my first sketch here from this point to this point to be 18. Symmetry of these two lines here, there, and this one can be any dimension for define the sketch because just want to cut. Okay, extrude, cut. I want to remove, but I want to do an offset of 6 like that, the other direction, so that I show my planes. I do the mirror. I want to mirror the extrude up to front plane. You can see your planes, hide them. We have a middle circle of 15. I can use whole wizard, come here, simple, that is 15 up to onto this point here, this point. Then here we have a countable. Therefore again whole wizard is accountable on at this point here. I'm looking at this point. Let me see whether I can, let me see, I can't attach at that point. I should attach, yeah, there's this one here. You can see I'm using my sketch. You can press shift. I want to pick that point, but I want to rotate along y-axis because I want z to be the normal to the surface. Therefore rotate along y-axis by negative 90 minus 90. Yes, that's what I want. Then I want the countable 11 drew one is 11, 18.5, 5.5. That's fine. Okay, You can put dreads here if you want. We have this one here, external dreads, but yeah, you can also do a helix and do some cut here. What else? Then we need fillets of 2 mm fillets, where that point, that point, that point, there, there, not there, that. Also we need this here, this here, this here. Yeah, pick all the edges and fillet them. Yeah, you can now apply the fillet. You can apply the appearance. Let's show the appearance. Red. It helps me to visualize which edge doesn't has an appearance. If I can see, some edges don't has a fillet. This edge here and this edge. Yeah, that's how you design the first model. Can see. If you go to the second now, we need now to make this one 20 and here 22. Only that. That's simple. Let's first begin by the first one. Edit here. No more. I need now to show my sketch because I want to make an arc like that. Therefore, this point and this point to be coincident, and this one's supposed to be 20. Therefore, let's delete this so that this and this can coincide. Coincident. Now you can trim. Oops, I want to trim this instead, and this. That's fine. Therefore, you can have to rebuild your sketch because now few edges are missing. This and this, this and this. Okay, we have done that. You can see this type of cutout. Then next one we need to do some revolve here. I'll show you. You can either put a curve and revolve cut, or you can use another method. Let me go back here and use another method here. Yeah, I should come all the way to here, roll to here. I need to make a sketch. Let me just check the dimensions. I need to make a sketch on front plane like that. An arc. I like sketching arcs outside. Then define it to be 22. Then this point and this point to be coincident. Then this point here, this point vertical, this point vertical. Oops, let's go back a little bit. This point vertical. Then I need a straight line for me to revolve there. Now I can now revolve a surface, this one axis of this, but now don't use full, use symmetry. You can use something maybe 120. Don't make a full revolve. I can hide your sketches here. Simple. I want to replace this face with this face. Therefore, you look for the replace face. Replace face with this. So there, you can see now we have the cutout here. You can see how it is. Now you can roll all the way to add. Okay. If you want to visualize inside, Shift X, maybe on this side here. Yeah. If you go front view, you can see we have that curve. Okay. Thank you. That's how you model this part in Onshape.